Hi, welcome back to Shane's Machine Shop. This is my latest engine. It's an oscillating steam engine. It goes by the name of Tiny. This is number 23 out of Elmer Verburg's book, Elmer's Engines. I machined everything basically as he had designed it, other than my column and flywheel. I opted out of brass instead of his steel. The pivot pin for the cylinder, I used a threaded rod with two nuts to lock the spring in place. That holds tension on the cylinder so the air won't leak. Elmer's was just a pin with a cross pin in it to hold the spring in. And my steam connection, I have an interference fit on this, on the fit here. Elmer's was a threaded insert. And then I mounted it all on an aluminum base. This is the smallest engine I've machined and built so far. I have an idea rolling around in my mind of even a smaller one. If it comes to fruition, it'll be a later video. Anyway, let me see if I can explain how the engine works. There's a hole in the center of the cylinder here going into the piston cylinder. So as the air comes in, it forces the air into the cylinder, pushing the piston down, and then it oscillates to an exhaust port right here that goes all the way through the column. So the air, as the piston comes up, the air is forced out the exhaust port, and then it strokes back to the air intake, and then the process repeats. Hence the name oscillating, because the cylinder oscillates back and forth. Anyway, I hope you like the upcoming video of the engine running, and thanks again for your continued watching. Hi, welcome back. This is my oscillating steam engine, Tiny. Running on about 20 psi. That's about 35. I hope you liked this video, and thanks for your continued watching.